So as we finish up the move into franchising, tell me about your decision making around that. So when did you start thinking about it? Had you thought about it for years prior, or is it something that's more of a recent?
I think it is quite recent, I would say. We want to make this brand as a home brand.
Yep.
Right. And we want, our goal is to talk about 100, 150, 200 stores, whatever we can see it. If Telstra can do it, Vodafone can do it, or JB can do it, we can do it. Right. It's all what they're doing is providing a solution. Right. And we're providing a solution with the right customer service, with the right intent. Right. So, 2 years ago, I think 4 years ago, invested into the system, spent about a couple of $1 million. And it's unheard of in our industry to spend a couple of $1 million in buying the software, execution, training. And we're talking about 220 staff we have. It's not a small team. We're talking about a couple of hundred people and sitting in different states to train them. You can understand the challenges of remote managing them and doing training. And so there's a big infrastructure has been made over the years.
Yes.
Right. So we want to bounce off that, right? So to 150, to open 10 stores every year, right? To get to 150 mark, we're talking about 9 more years. How can we speed that process up, right? And also by doing scalability, how can we reach to the wider community? Because we get a lot of devices from remote locations to fix, and a lot of landlords coming to us from a remote location, like regional, like four hours out.
I can imagine. I mean, repair services in remote locations would be fairly rare, or fairly thin on the ground.
Yeah, and also the quality as well. So if there is something close by, reliability, quality, speed of the service, don't know, it's all compromised, right?
Yep.
But again, if we take our ethics, our principles, our success formula, or our recipe of success, I would say, to the wider community and get into the community and the smaller communities, how can we do that? Can I and my team build a wider team to do that, and how long will it take? So when we start asking this question, how can we service more customers, more communities around Australia, right? So I think the answer was franchising. We can create a bigger family, and we have a like-minded people and who has the same vision, and we can coach them through our principles, cash flow, using systems to help them to grow a business, having the right product at the right price, customer service piece.